Okay, now to give him a bath. To wash away all the yucky stuff. Ayan. Baka pwede pag may sabon. Damihan nyo yung sabon.
Oo.
Para ano.
Sa liig niya.
Huwag sa mata, ha?
Sa liig.
Sa liig.
Yan.
Masasaktan yung mata niya. Ayan.
Soap
Soak the neck and let's see. Maybe it'll be easy to pull out the...
Yeah, try to cut it in the
smaller panel. Ayan. Subukan yung hilahin. Baka pwede nung hilahin. Okay. Ayaw talaga? Oh, poor darling. Oh, Prince, it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay. Mimi is doing a good job. It's okay, she's cutting through. Don't look so sad. Look at that, she's doing a good job. She's doing a good job. Lapit na. Oh, what a good doggy. Konti na lang. Konti na lang. Just a little bit more. Ang lakas mo, Mimi. Grabe.
Working?
Yeah, she's
soaping or she's cutting through it?
She's cutting through it na lang. It's so hard to pull it out of his head.
Yeah.
It's not, I don't know how he got his head in there.
Yes.
Matigas? Yeah, tatry ko.
Okay, Ron's gonna try it. Ron, you try it.
Mabuti.
Don't
Keep
kid.
it. Hold still,
Hold
baby.
still. Okay, Ron. Do we have a saw? Oh, you're cutting through it. Are you?
Tigas na.
Baka tumalsik yung scissors.
Ingat lang yung kamay mo dyan.
Oh, you're cutting through. Yay! Woo! Yuck!